So guys, the first thing you need to do is for you to come here to this your icon and then click on it. Make sure the channel you want to delete is rightly selected. As you can see here, this is the channel I want to delete. So the next thing I will do is I will come to my YouTube studio. So when I come here now, I'll come down here to settings. You click on settings. So when you are here, you click on channel and then you come to advanced settings and then you scroll down to the end and take remove YouTube content. And then here now you just have to enter your password and hit next. So here they said remove YouTube contents. So now you have to choose the one you want. The first one says I want to hide my channel. I want to permanently delete my content. So we are going for, we want to permanently delete it. So you click on this drop down. So here we are now. They said following, we have two options here. The first is we will permanently delete the YouTube data associated with this account name, the YouTube account name. So we should select the following: your first video, so what I'll advise, so here the first thing I'll advise you to do is for you to just, you might have multiple accounts, so you just copy this your account name, because there's a place where you put this account name. So you just copy it, Control C, you copy it, or you're using your phone to do it. So we come here, the first is the following will be permanently deleted. So we'll highlight this, everything, your videos, all your video, your channel, everything, your subscription, your subscribers for your channel, everything will be deleted. Any paid subscription that you own, e.g. YouTube Premium, YouTube TV, all will be permanently cancelled. So we take it and then we take delete my content, this one here, and then here is delete your content. This will permanently delete, so you will permanently delete everything. Then here they said please confirm by typing in your email address. This is your email address. Type in your email address and then hit delete my content. So guys, you see, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit a thumbs up, subscribe and turn on the notification. Anytime I have an update like this, I will share with you guys.